Hello, in this video I'll be discussing our prototype for Knowledge Yard platform. Knowledge Yard is a social educational platform that brings all the components of the educational process in a single place. Our prototype is a proof of concept to the part we're starting with, the one-to-one tutoring sessions. Now we will go through the website. Now, this question has gone from the student account to the teacher account. We can refresh here and we will find the question. You can see that the tutor account found the question already. Now we will keep reading and answer. This is the answer. Okay, we will answer. Now we can go right there back to the sessions. Now we will go through the answered questions. You can see here the question has been answered 33 seconds ago. We will go to the question. We can still communicate with the answer with the tutor to get to know more about the question. You can find them here in sessions. So you just the knowledge yard question, he sent hello. We will say hello. Now we go back to this and we see that the message was already sent here. Okay, so we will say thanks for the answer. This is our prototype.